Welcome to Sing Simple Online Academy. In this video, we'll be learning about linear functions. Now, linear functions are functions that form a straight line whenever they are drawn on a graph, which are given by the equation y is equals to mx plus c, where y, it is our dependent variable or our output, x, it is our independent variable or our input, and m, it is our gradient or slope, and lastly c, which it is our y-intercept. Now in today's video, we'll be focusing more on our gradient, which is the slope or the steepness of the graph. Now there are three conditions that affect our graph when it comes to gradient. The first one, it is when we have a gradient that it is greater than 0, where m is greater than 0. This is where we have an upwards graph or a positive one. The second condition, it is when we have m less than 0. This is where we have a downwards graph, which is negative. And thirdly, it is when we have m equals to 0. This is when we have a horizontal line. Right. Now, how do we determine all of these three conditions? Now, the only way we can do that, it is by calculations. Now, there is a formula that we use whenever we are determining the gradient, and the formula, it is given by m equals to change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now we use coordinates to calculate our gradient. Now let's take an example. Let's say we are given two coordinates, and they give us a, which is 2 and 4, and then b, which is 3 and 6. Right. Now we're going to label this as a number x1, x2, y1, and y2. Now let's substitute.